Hello, welcome back guys to Filmora channels here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to delete Filmora account on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Filmora applications and now go ahead to this mine option at the bottom. After, if you want to delete your Filmora account, just go ahead to this gear icon which is settings. Tap on it like this. And now at the bottom we'll find out the option which is account deletions. Just tap on it like this. And after in this page, tap on this delete my account if you want to delete it. But if you change your mind, just tap on this cancel deletion. Here I'm gonna tap on this delete my account. And here it will be automatically log out from the account before, yeah guys. And for my Filmora account is already deleted. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below. And I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.